Have you ever wondered what could happen when an Uber ride goes completely off the rails? I recently came across a video that shows just that, and I want to share it with you and share my thoughts. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, Mr. Hustle here. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Warning, some might consider this video graphic due to the violent nature. Alright, let's roll it.
I'm playing, bro. I'm playing.
Seriously? Then get the out.
Yo, wash your mouth.
Okay, well,
Wash your
look,
mouth.
I have no
Wash your
problem.
mouth.
Talk to me.
Yo, wash your
I have
mouth,
no
son.
problem with you, but I'm trying to do a job
I don't
just
give
like
a fuck,
everybody.
nigga. Wash your mouth. You gonna wash it, you talk to me, son.
Can you please
On my
get out
mother
of my
side, you gonna
car?
wash it, talk to me.
Okay.
On my mother.
Can you please get out of my car?
You gonna wash it, talk to me. What's up?
Dude!
What's up with you, nigga? So what you trying to do?
All I'm asking you to do is
So
to
what you
please
trying
get
to
out
do?
of my
Don't
car.
talk to me crazy, nigga. What's up? What's up?
Dude!
Get the
I'm trying to get out of here. Can you please get out of my
Run
car
your
right now?
pockets. Everything you got. Everything
I don't
you
have
got, nigga.
anything in my
Everything
pocket.
you got for I blow your brain out.
Yo! Get out of my car right now!
Yo.
Get out of my car! Dude! Please get out of my car.
You gonna watch your talk to me.
Wow. So the video started off with the passenger saying, I'm playing bro. So he must have made an offensive joke or said something slick, I'm assuming. Then the driver says, seriously? Get the F out. So that must have offended the passenger. So the passenger calls him out and says, watch your mouth. That driver doesn't seem familiar with the potential repercussions of disrespecting somebody and how things could go from 0 to 100 real quick. He needs to listen to some more Drake. Just kidding. In all seriousness, he shouldn't have swore at the passenger if he wasn't about that life. Meaning, if he wasn't looking to get into an altercation. Things quickly escalated from there as a bystander out of the car momentarily puts a firearm to the driver's head. Then the passenger in the back also shows that he has a gun as well. Crazy. Feel bad for the driver, man. That's a tough spot to be in. Alright, so after that, the bystander punches the driver, and the passenger in the back punches the driver also. The driver wasn't really too affected by the punches. He was just focused on the gun, trying to not die and get out of there. But luckily, it wasn't like Mike Tyson, Muhammad Ali, or someone that could throw a real haymaker. The driver then says, can you please get out of my car? Now he has manners and he's polite, right? I don't blame him. The passenger and the bystander are overreacting, in my opinion, and they're completely out of line. Alright, so after that, the next thing was the passenger in the back says, run your pockets, which means give me your money, for those that don't know. The bystander outside the car punches the driver again, so the driver starts to drive away and tells the passenger again to get out of my car. Finally, the passenger points the gun at the driver again as he's getting out. Thankfully, he did get out and the driver made it out alive. But yeah, this is no joke. Got to be extremely careful with who you are interacting with and how you interact with them. So man, this is a perfect example of why I never did Lyft or Uber rides. You never know who you're gonna interact with. So I just stick to the food deliveries, shopping for people, groceries. So let me know what you thought about that video. Have you ever been in a crazy situation like that? Do you do Uber rides or Lyft? And what do you think about it? Would you recommend I give it a try? I have thought about it, but I never actually pulled the trigger. Maybe that's a bad joke for this video. So alright, we're gonna wrap things up there. I do appreciate y'all checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel to support. Let's continue to grow. If you got any video requests, leave them down below. Alright, that does it for me. Until next time, peace out, hustlers.
Yo!